Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about germ-friendly mattresses. The first one that I have on the docket is going to be Tempur-Pedic. It's my favorite mattress. Actually, if you've watched other videos, I sleep on a Tempur-Pedic. They have a cool feature where you can actually take the cover off and it's machine washable. Now, if you've seen other videos or done your research, you'll know that these are actually cooling as well. And when you wash them, they don't lose their cooling properties. So pretty cool feature. You can take the cover off, throw it in, put it on sanitize, do a tumble dry, throw it back on, and bada bing. If you don't necessarily have the budget, Tempur-Pedic might be out of your budget. We also offer mattress protectors, and we have even an encasement. The cool thing about mattress protectors are the same thing. They're all machine washable, so they trap dead skin. This is baby powder, so you can actually see in there that it traps the baby powder. And also, as far as water goes, could be sweat. Keeps that stuff in there as well. You can take it off of your bed, throw it into the wash, tumble dry it, throw it back on, put it on a sanitize cycle, and you have a nice and clean mattress. So if you're in the market for a new mattress and you have some concerns with germs, think about Tempur-Pedic first. And I always recommend even getting a protector, even if you buy a Tempur-Pedic mattress. That's Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. I'll see you guys next week.